Hey guys, it's Ashley from How to Tree Reviews, and today I'm here with Decocrated. This is a quarterly or seasonal decor subscription box. I am so very excited. Subscriptions are $79.99, and there is free shipping on all orders. No commitments. You can cancel anytime. I don't know what's in here. I didn't sneak peek. I didn't anything. Look at this gorgeous box, though. Can we just talk about this? Oh, yay. Guys, I just love when things look so beautiful. Look at that gorgeousness. Oh. All right, we're going to read this little card here they sent. This might be just like inserts that tell us what everything is. Fall 2018, curated home, Decocrated curated home. Yeah, this is spoilers and stuff. Don't want to peek. Refer a friend. Hello fall. That's the theme. Look at this cute little card. Look at this. I love it. All right. We're going to go over everything once we're done. But I think this, home decor is pretty self-explanatory. Holy nice. There's a box inside the box. Is there anything in here? Oh, I think this is just to keep it from rattling around. Empty box. That's very clever. Never seen that done before. All right. So first we have, it looks like a pillowcase cover. It says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I do not know if I have a pillow that this will fit, but I'm sure I can get one. An excuse to shop, I think I will. So here it is, and then on the back we have this really cool, like, that moth pattern. I don't, is it a moth? I hate seeing that if it's not. Like a flying bug, not quite a butterfly pattern. Oh, you just stay there, you buddy. All right, then we've got another pillowcase cover. This one is like a, it's not houndstooth, but it's got like that cool checkered pattern that will definitely match our, how cute, right? I need to steal some pillows from somebody. Don't know who yet. All right, then we've got, now there's something in this one, possibly. I don't know. I'm gonna have to pause and get scissors. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so here we have, oh my goodness. I guess this is a wall. Is it? Wait, oh neat. I really like those. So this is like a metal, this is just cardboard here. It's pink though, so it looks really pretty, right? Like you think it's like a pink, you're like, oh, it's just the black, so it will match any decor. And it just says home in a really pretty cursive. I love that. I'm wondering if there's something really light in here, but I don't think so. It feels really empty. So I just keep thinking, like, what if there is something and I miss it? It would not be the first time I've done something like that. Believe it or not, dudes. All right. Oh my gosh, everything is individually boxed, which is really interesting. It like makes you feel like it's definitely going to arrive in great condition. Just, with these sorts of subs, it can get, I've received things broken, damaged, all that stuff. So they really take a lot of time and consideration and into the packaging. All right, so here we have a wall plaques. Holy smokeronis. Crunching leaves, sparkling fires, cozy blankets, sweater weather, grateful hearts, dearest friends, giving thanks. Home sweet home. Isn't that cute? But on the back, it says, welcome. Please check broomsticks, bats, and toads at the door. So you can put this up during October until Halloween, then flip it over and have your November decor. I have a guest at my door, so I will be right back. Ah! Oh, boy. Okay. So next we have, there's two in this box. So this is just a blank, it's a photo frame, and it has this, but it does also have a hanging fixture here. It's just one of those clipboard you can hang up like notes, things like that, things you want, money for your kids to take to school, whatnot. That's a really cute idea. I love that. That will look great in my living room. So excited. Ooh, and it has this cool like rustic finish on it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love this subscription. Seriously, I love this. Just love it. All right. I'm making such a mess. I'm just throwing the bubble wrap and stuff on the floor. Whatevs. All right. This kind of feels like I don't know. What is it? What is it? Ooh, it's a pumpkin. Oh, it's a white pumpkin. Oh, isn't that pretty? Ooh, my. Ooh, I love it. That's cool. That is super cool. All right, then we have, ooh, this one's really light. I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna find out. All right. I needed this today. This is making my day so much brighter. Oh my gosh. I think I'm actually gonna like subscribe to this because it's so nice. Like $80 for all this stuff. Like imagine if you went to like even like Home Goods. You know what I mean? That you're already probably over $100. All right, so these are little tags. Ooh, what do I do with them though? So they're little like chalkboard tags. I guess they're for gifts, but like I don't want to put these on gifts. You could also use them to assign like jar labels and things like that. So here's one real close. There's 4 in total. And they have like a cool cord on them. All right, there's that. I'm so excited. This is our final box. This is like a great, this is what a home decor subscription should be. There are a few out there that they send like food items and stuff like that. That's not home decor. I want things to actually decorate my home. And if it's monthly, that's a little too often, in my opinion. Now, I'm sure there are some people that would love a monthly one. But seasonally is perfect because you're going to get items that are current, like for the holidays and stuff. And then you're also, it's just not as, you know, much, not as, you know, financially expensive because clearly they're a little more, you know, pricey than like beauty boxes or something like that. So this is a little tray. You can use this to hold cups. You can use this on your nightstand. You can use this for your makeup, for your vanity. And it has that same cool rustic wood look, like that bluish kind of whitish look. I think I'm going to use this on my coffee table and keep like my notebooks and things like that in it. Or I don't know yet. I might actually just hide it from my kids. But it's beautiful. So let's just quick, that's everything that we received. Let's just quick take a look in our little book they sent and see if they include any of the prices or anything like that. Okay, the plaque. They tell us about why they included it. There's not really prices, but the magazine is super, oh yeah, they show us how to use the tags. They like hang them off of things. Look at how nice the little pamphlet is though. It's really like well put together. They put a lot of time into it. I love this. And so the back of that pillowcase with the little like bugs on it, you can flip it over after Halloween and then you don't see the Halloween theme. Like you could keep it all fall or maybe all year if you really want. I just love this. I love it, love it, love it. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to link you to my full review. I'll put the items in action. We'll hang them up. We'll do all that fun stuff and you can see it. I'm so excited. So if you're interested in that, check that out. If you're interested in just checking out Decocrated, you can check them out down below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.